In a quirky city where mischief reigns, a band of clever cats has launched an unexpected heist, stealing jelly beans from unsuspecting police officers. The cops, determined to restore order, find themselves in a hilarious chase filled with furry felines and colorful treats. As the officers strategize, they realize these cats are not just any ordinary felines. They have a knack for cunning escapes. With jelly beans scattered everywhere, the chase becomes a delightful game of cat and mouse, each moment more chaotic than the last.